This might not be doable on this. We might have to take this piece apart and then screw this piece to this piece to make it work. We're going to try. So this is what we bought. This is what we're going to try to replace it with. Okay, it's a 3 bulb. We got to get this stem. If that's screwed in there, that'd be simply amazing, but that would put all the wiring up there. We're gonna need, this might not be doable on this. We might have to take this piece apart and then screw this piece to this piece to make it work. Turn the light on, maybe? The only way to know if the light's on is if we hit the fan. Fan's on now, so we'll turn the fan off. And if we hit this, everything should turn off. That should be all the power. So let's pull that off. We're working one-handed right now, but we're going to set up a tripod here pretty soon. The stem goes all the way through this. We need a way to make this here somehow. You know what? I think we're just going to do it. We are going to drill these pieces out, take this piece with us, ditch the whole LED assembly, and then mount this to this base. I think that's what we're going to have to do. Okay. We got Jonathan. We got fail space. Drill, baby, drill. Yeah, so the trick to drilling these out is probably something slightly larger. I think I got the perfect bit for this. But we do need to get you guys on a tripod. Let me see if we can. Let's see if we can force this open or something before we go great extremes here. Okay, it is definitely on there. So we are going to nope. Remember, we don't need the glass. We do need our fingers though. Fingers are good. And hold still. Perfect. It dislodged nicely, dude. We couldn't have done that any better. Look at that. See, when in doubt, dude, just run a circular saw full speed and just jam it in there. That was like the perfect result. Okay, we're almost done. So that's what it's going to look like. Before we jump to conclusions here, we're going to make sure that we can do something different here. So let's get this open and let's see. Yeah, we didn't have to use our drill. All right, so I think it'd be beneficial to make this a quick connect and then put the quick connect up in here. I think that's what we're going to do. We're just going to get these wires. That was the worst thing we could have done. Rip the quick connect. Okay, so let's see here. We can either, what are we going to do? That's not what I wanted to do. We were too rough with that. Nope, we're going back to hardwire. But we need this nut off. That way we can tighten this to this and then make our joint up in here, and it should be fine. Or we could send the fixture wire down in here and make up all of our joints just like the good Lord intended, and do the right thing. I think that's what we're gonna do. That is what we're gonna do. So we're gonna get this nut off. That should work just fine. It seems like this nut is like on here forever, like it never really moved. So we might insert this backwards. Before this was facing down like this, but I'm actually going to go backwards with it, I think, and go through and through like that, and then go down to get the longer facing up, and then we'll get more real estate for our threads like that. Then we'll put our fixture wires through here, and that should get us good to go. I like it says relamp, like you're gonna go buy another one of these. They're making this stuff to where you can't repair it yourself. You got to go special order their own crap. I don't want to do that. I want to go switch a light bulb. Tim, and to give him a thumb. Appreciate it, sir. This is actually going pretty swimmingly, which is not normal. We got really lucky. We just hit this thing with the saw at high speed, and it just dislodged itself completely, broke the rivets and everything, dude. I don't know if we could have got more lucky. So these are small wires. I just like wire nuts. I've used them for so long, I'm confident with them. They make good joints. I don't know, they work. Now what we can't do, we can't let this hang on the weight, because these little tiny wires go somewhere, and I don't want to take the whole fan apart to figure out where. We rip the LED off, and now we've got a little twist action that disengages this whole thing. You can see where it's no longer attached. Fan, did we break it? We did not break it. All right, we'll see you guys later. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.